Have you ever wondered how computers organize massive amounts of data so efficiently? Meet data structures, the secret sauce of computer science. Data structures are specialized formats used to store, organize, and manage data. Imagine them as tools, a hammer for nails, a wrench for bolts. Each data structure is designed for a specific task. Common data structures include arrays. Think of these as numbered boxes holding data in sequence. Stacks, a last-in, first-out system like a stack of plates. Queues, a first-in, first-out process like waiting in line. Trees, perfect for hierarchical data, like a family tree or a file system. Without data structures, managing data would be like trying to find a book in a chaotic pile. With them, it's like browsing a perfectly organized library. Data structures don't just store data, they make retrieval and manipulation faster and more efficient. That's why they're fundamental for developers everywhere. Ready to dive deeper? Let's explore how data structures power your favorite apps and technologies.